Just a quick video about installing the Google Photos app on the MacBook Air or MacBook Pro M1. To do this, I'm going to use the iMazing app. I'm just using the trial free version. You can buy a version if you want. Go into the Manage Apps, wait for it to load up. Then when it has loaded up, scroll down, make sure you're in Library, scroll down to the Google Photos app, click on the download icon. It's the cloud icon like above. I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Click Export IPA and choose a location which is convenient. To find it again, I've just popped a folder on my desktop with that. Go to that folder, obviously, and just double click and it will install it as an app on the M1 MacBook. You can then open it in the regular ways, including from applications or Spotlight or Launchpad. You'll now have a copy of the iPad version of the Google Photos app installed on your M1 MacBook. There is no native version for the MacBook or even for Windows. Both of those just have the backup and sync app instead. One thing I liked as well is this does actually go into full screen. Most other apps that I've installed this way and through the App Store have been a little bit funny looking. They just take up a small part of the screen. I did need to close the app and open it a few times to get it to prompt me to enter my Google Photos account details. So if you do have an issue the first time that you double click on the app, that's what I suggest doing.